I think something for everybody because it's been cool, clear, calm tonight. You're going to get that tomorrow morning. Then the heat gradually builds through the weekend. If you're looking for pool weather, Saturday afternoon going to be just fine to be outdoors. Maybe a round of golf also in good shape tomorrow. Mid-80s, highs back close to 90 on Sunday. Now, Sunday largely will be a dry day, but there's a chance we spark up in some of that heat and humidity, a few isolated showers and storms. Now, brand new information in this afternoon. We've issued a weather impact alert day, and I want you to have this circled on your radar through the course of the weekend for Monday because we have a risk of strong to severe storms, hot and humid, and the full WTOL 11 weather team, we're going to keep you updated through the weekend. Make sure you have that WTOL 11 weather app. We're going to send alerts directly to you on updates about that storm threat. Now, we are dropping back into the 60s now. Another great day tomorrow. We're out this evening at Pizza Palooza in Centennial Terrace in Sylvania. We do day number 2 tomorrow. Temperatures in the 80s, warmer feel, and should be right around the mid-80s at 6 p.m. And gorgeous conditions into the evening, mid-70s as we go after dark. Now, we have clear skies across the region, and the storm threat that's going to be increasing. This is the Storm Prediction Center. What we're monitoring across Michigan, Ohio, and Indiana for Monday. It's a fairly large area, and we're saying there's a chance of severe weather in this region. So heads up on that. We're going to keep you up to date with that weather impact alert. For Monday, it's going to be hot with storms. The feels like it is going to bubble back up toward 100 degrees as we go into the afternoon on Monday. Now, high pressure moving out of the area. That's what's kept the humidity levels very low. And as that high departs, we're going to get a corridor of more active jet stream winds across the western Great Lakes. This is what's going to supercharge the atmosphere with a couple rounds of storms. You saw one late Sunday into early Monday. And watch this, that active storm track. If storms develop in this area, and I suspect they may, they're going to be tracking down into the lower Great Lakes Monday afternoon, Monday evening. So I think the weather pattern is going to become more favorable for some storms into early next week. Clear skies tonight, calm and cool. We're going to dip back into the upper 50s. Saturday's high. After a dry, comfortable start to the day, we reach into the mid-80s. And boaters forecast Lake Erie. I hear the fishing still has been great out on Lake Erie. Saturday's high in the 80s, waves a foot or less, with a light west wind through the afternoon. Mid-80s on Saturday, back close to 90 Sunday. Now, Sunday may spark the chance of a couple isolated showers and storms. And if we do manage to get a couple of those to develop, not out of the question, a couple of them could have some gusty winds or severe weather. Much better chance it's going to be Monday. The heat and humidity will be on. It's a weather impact alert day. You're hearing it right here. Low 90s with heat index near 100 and the risk of severe storms on Monday. Back to the 80s Tuesday, mid-80s Wednesday, Thursday, upper 80s on Friday, and then we roll into early August by next weekend.